Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to remove the instance option from Instagram chat latest method. Okay, let's start the video. Seeing the new instance option with a plus icon in your Instagram chat. Now tap on plus icon. Whenever you tap the plus icon, it opens the camera. Without further delay, let's remove it. Now tap on profile icon. Now tap on three dot icon in the corner. Scroll down. Now tap on content preferences. Now tap on hide instance in inbox. Now tap on turn on. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your Play Store, update your Instagram apps. Now tap on search bar and search for Instagram apps. Now tap on Instagram apps. It is already updated. Now open your Instagram apps. Now tap on Messenger. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. Thank you.